Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Introduce yes from Group 5 class for NIP 1 from the CCIT PNG Study Program. Introducing my name is Rio Rizky Prataba and my partner is
Nadia Nursyabani.
this project. We make the program. The title is Imani 2.0. Imani 2.0 has been created to help people to check or top up their electronic money card from any bank with one machine. The feature in application is can check their own money in the card in the reload their card from the cash to a money card. So this program makes it very easy for a money or electronic money user where only one machine is needed to check balance and also fill balance with one process at time.
The way it works, we can use all electronic money cards from any bank, but we simulate them with card codes. Then an option will appear. We want to check the balance or top up our balance. If we want to check the balance first, select one and the balance will also appear the question or whether we want to top up the balance. If yes, we put the money we want. Here we simulate it by filling in the desired amount. When you're done, grab the card and the machine will return to the screensaver page. If we want to top up our balance, just select 2 and filling the amount.
Why do we choose Imani? Because Imani is already has many user, but has not implemented the money system in general with one machine for a bank. This is our programming algorithm flowchart. Starting for the start, the Imani user uh, starting from the start, the Imani user put into the card in a reader box. After which the program process on the key on the card on the card and a home menu display appears containing the option to check money or top up and the user makes a choice and continued by Nadia.
If user select one, they can see their balance. And if user select two, they can top up their balance. But if no one in the menu they choose, the display will be back to the menu.
The process one for checking money in the program depends on the key in the card, followed by displaying the option to reveal or not. If we stop up, the user will enter the money into the machine that has been provided. Boleh.
And this process is for top up, or balance in the card. We can select two, then filling the amount, and the phone will be on our card.
Okay, next run codes. Switch to the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, we move to Ubuntu operating system and run the code in terminal. Running it by calling the script by base. Okay, then the screensaver menu will appear in this program. This is on display on the initial screen of Imani 2.0. Maybe let's move to the code. There is menu class that we have created. It contains a code display, the menu with the code echo, and to analyze the money on the card, we enter the key on the card using red P. And we created two cards from simulation in this program. Don't forget to clear it only display this class only. Okay.
And this is the menu display after we input the card code. We can select one or two as needed, and for the display, we use echo, and for read what we selected, we use read according to what we choose. It will be called the function. And let's do the code. And that is echo for we display the type, and read for read what we select.
Select one to check saldo. Well, in the case check display of the card, there is information on the balance of the money in the card A, and the option to add money to add money is follow or not at all. Okay, continue to the code. The function check saldo A. There is the code to display layout using echo, and also retrieve the card using variable cell A, $sale A, and there is this option code using red P, followed by code. And then we make if and elif, and do not forget its menu. We use the day of the date. The day of the date is there is top of the menu.
And this is for filling the amount of top up or balance. And if we want to top up or balance, just select one and fill the amount.
Okay, let's continue to the code. Isi saldo A. You can see with it the addition method by creating a variable to input the initial money, and add up by creating a new variable to be added to total. This is total variable with the code echo to display layout, and also read P to read the amount of money added to be a total.
And this is if we are input error. This view will appear if there is an input error or we enter an option outside the existing options. If this happens, then the display will appear. Then the screen will again display the option again or menu after sleep 3 seconds. Depending on the existence of our process, we are use echo to display the word, use sleep for pause the system, and function for back to the previous display. If we want top up or balance, just select 2 and enter. And filling the amount we want to top up, then enter. Our top up is successful, and that's our saldo information, and it will be sleep for 3 seconds and back to the main menu.
Okay, the continue in the code is saldo A, where money has been successfully added to a money user card. This is layout programs by Echo to display the layout, and there is also variable totals for the result. The sum of the initial balance with the money that has been added, and the menu will return to the screensaver with 3 seconds. Okay, back to the PowerPoint. I feel what we have presented is useful for those who it can also be used or test independently.
And sorry for our mistakes in this presentation.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.